To choose a stylized video model in Artlist AI, begin by logging into your Artlist account and navigating to the AI Video Generator workspace. Artlist AI offers different video generation models, each designed for specific creative goals. Stylized models are intended for projects that emphasize artistic visuals, creative effects, and distinctive visual aesthetics rather than purely realistic footage. After opening the AI Video Generator, start a new video project by selecting the option to create a new video. This will open the generation interface where you can configure the model, prompt, and output settings before rendering your video. The next step is to locate the video model selection menu. This menu is typically found near the prompt field or generation settings panel. Click the drop-down menu to view the available video models. Depending on your subscription and the current platform version, multiple models may be available, including realistic, cinematic, or stylized options. From the list, choose a stylized model. These models are optimized for artistic interpretations and often produce visuals with enhanced colors, unique textures, creative motion, and illustration-inspired aesthetics. Selecting a stylized model influences the overall look and feel of the generated video, making it suitable for creative storytelling, animated concepts, promotional content, and artistic projects. Once the model has been selected, enter a detailed text prompt describing the video you want to create. The more specific your description, the better the AI can understand your intended scene, movement, atmosphere, and visual direction. You may also have the option to upload reference images to guide the style and composition of the generated output. After entering your prompt, review the available settings. These may include aspect ratio, video length, output quality, and motion controls. Adjust them according to the type of content you plan to create and where the final video will be used. When everything is ready, click the Generate Video button. The AI will process your prompt using the selected stylized model and produce a video based on your instructions. Once generation is complete, preview the result and evaluate whether it matches your creative vision. If adjustments are needed, refine your prompt, experiment with different stylistic descriptions, or modify the settings before generating another version. This iterative process often produces the best results, and that's how you choose a stylized video model in Artlist AI. Select a stylized model from the video model menu, enter a detailed prompt, configure your settings, generate the video, and refine the results until you achieve the artistic style you want.